Let's go higher.
Because some people are so I just want to
let's go
share some nature that I'm surrounded with, and maybe it can bring
let's go high.
the mind that you're surrounded by nature.
Let's go higher. Let's go higher. Let's go. Most high, higher. Let's go higher. Most higher. Let's go. Most high, higher. Let's go higher. Most higher. Let's go higher. Let's go higher.
Take a load off.
Let's go higher.
Relax.
Let's go higher. Let's go higher. Let's go higher.
Sometimes we just need to
Let's go higher. Let's go higher. Most higher. Let's go. Let's go higher. Let's go let's go
in this moment.
higher.
It's just you becoming one.
Most high, higher. Let's go higher. Most higher. Let's go. Let's go higher. Let's go higher. Let's go higher. Let's go.
And I always try to focus on the tallest tree. The tallest tree. I hope this can give you a tranquil place like it gives me when I can just get away and look at the top of a tree. Communicate with the nature around me, the birds that fly by, the wind that blows, giving you a peace of mind and a peaceful place and a peaceful space inside of yourself. Some of us just need to get away in nature. I thought the other tree was the tallest, but I guess it's not. Look at the sky. Look how clear and beautiful it is. the clouds are just floating above like nowhere exists. Thank you for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'm Kay Woods. Check out my book, The Battles Within, Life and Inspirations Poetry, on Amazon Books. You should see a